We live and we learn. And among the lessons that we learn in life is the lesson of respect. Respecting one person to the other. It's important. Respect the person who is living next to you. In any scenario, in any circumstance. It could be on a train home, on a bus home, on a plane somewhere, or even mchingofamba zvenyum road. Kana kuti pakutogarisana kukuti muvakidzani wangu. Kana kuti pakubarwa. There is always a next person to you, and respecting them is one of the key things in life. Well, respecting the next person is very different from tolerating the next person's nonsense. There's a huge difference there. But I see it happening every time when you mention kuti respect the other person. How it rings mumsoro memwe munhu zvinoita sekunge uri kumuudza kuti tolerate nonsense dzemunhu iye. Kwete, zvakatosiyana, it's different. They do nonsense, no, don't tolerate it. But you, in your intolerance of their nonsense, please respect them. The way you're going to deal with their nonsense will tell if you are respectful of them or if you're not respectful of them. And one of the worst things that we do in life is thinking that it was obvious that they were trying to hurt you by doing what they were doing. If someone doesn't believe in the thing that you believe in, and then they do something, quite often, it's obvious. Well, the next thing that I'm going to say at the next musical break is a key lesson that I learned in life. Nothing is obvious in this life. And I'll say it again, nothing is obvious in this life. I'll say more on that on the next musical break, but I want you to keep in your head and think about it deeply. Nothing is obvious in this life. West FM sounding good all the time. In between here and there, as a father, I'm obliged to throw in some nuggets for my children. How you gonna out? And I would like to apologize if it offends you that a young man like myself calls himself your father. Father. But I love you though.